Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video contains an extensive collection of sayings of the Prophet, peace be upon him. May Allah help us develop these qualities within us. Ameen. Fear God and treat your children fairly and equally. With this hadith, our Prophet means that be it a girl or a boy, a parent should always give their children equal opportunities to education and provide them with their undivided attention. Exchange gifts, as that will lead to increasing your love to one another. Allah very strongly dislikes people that are quarrelsome. To better some bitter relationships, gifts are a helpful source. There are two blessings which many people lose. They are health and free time. This hadith means that a Muslim should use his time and his health by performing good deeds. May God's mercy be on him who is lenient in his buying, selling and in demanding back his money. We should not be selfish or greedy. We should be thankful of Allah's blessings and help the ones that we can. If you can cook some soup, add some extra water and send some to your neighbor. This hadith shows the importance of working on maintaining good relationships with everyone around us. A man follows the way of his close friends. So let one of you look at whom he takes to his as his close friend. The companion we have can have a huge impact on us, so we should choose wisely. Every one of you is responsible and will be asked about his responsibility. This means that we will be held responsible for the duties that we were given and for those that we did not complete.